So here's Square Go app. What is that? So this app is built by Block app, formerly known as Square, and this is this is like the app which built these Square devices, which you can use for retail like points of sales to manage your business. This is also the same company which built like famous Cash app, and this is the basically again like the booking app. So where you can just discover and book local services like haircuts, nail art, facials, massages, and more. So everything in your area. So you can just sign up here, create an account with the phone number. I guess it's only available in US, but you have access to more than 250,000 barbershops, nail salons, facials, med spas, hair removal, all of these things, convenient appointment management, easily book, reschedule, cancel, and book in seconds. Track your appointment history, get personalized recommendations, communicate directly, share your looks, and recommend stylists. So yeah, quite cool thing. And yeah, so you can give it a try. I didn't know that it exists, but if you're in some city and it's the whole process, to book a massage or to book a spa, you need to go to a separate website, create an account, figure out where to click what. Here you just have one app where you can do that. I didn't know that it exists, and it's from a reputable company, so give it a try.